What's good? I'm Juan. Welcome back to the Everyday Come Up. If you're trying to level up without the hype, you're in the right place. One thing I've been learning more and more is this. Focus just ain't about going hard. It's about protecting your direction. A lot of people don't really have a focus problem. They got a distraction problem. And distractions, well, they can get expensive. In the last video, I talked about how the military helped shape how I move, how it taught me discipline, how it taught me to be intentional, how it made me more aware of what matters. But discipline ain't just about what you commit to. It's also about what you stop giving energy to. See, a lot of people say they want more money, peace, growth, more progress. But they keep handing their time to things that drain them. Habits that don't build nothing. Situations that pull them off course. Distractions that keep eating at their momentum. And then they wonder why life feels stuck. Because every time you feed the wrong thing, you take energy away from the life you're trying to build. And that's why distraction costs more than people think. Not just time, but peace, momentum, clarity, and direction. This ain't about acting perfect, and it ain't about pretending temptation, entertainment, attention, or attraction don't exist. This is about honesty. If you're really building something, your habits gotta stop fighting your goals. A lot of people don't sabotage themselves in loud ways. It's usually quiet. It's the little stuff. Too much scrolling, too much reacting, too much entertaining things that lead nowhere. Too much letting short-term feelings interrupt long-term direction. And that's what makes distraction dangerous. It usually don't look dangerous at first. It looks harmless, fun, temporary. It looks like something you can control. But over time, it starts draining your attention, your discipline, and your peace. And once your focus starts slipping, that's when everything else starts falling behind. It's like putting a destination in your GPS, but making random turns every few minutes. You're still spending time moving around. You're still burning gas, but you're not getting where you say you wanted to go. And that's how distraction works. It makes you feel active without actually making progress. So now you're tired, frustrated, and wondering why is it taking so long? When really, you just keep getting pulled off route. I've learned that focus is really a form of self-respect. It's bigger than productivity. It's bigger than just getting work done. It's about protecting your future from your lower impulses. There's real power in being locked in, being harder to access, not reacting to everything, and not needing every notification, every invite, every little ego boost to pull you off course. That kind of discipline changes how you move. It sharpens your decisions. It protects your peace. And it helps you build real momentum. And to be real, this is something you keep working on. It's not one decision and now you got it mastered forever. It's a choice you keep making to refocus, to pull back, to realign, to remember what actually matters. Because the goal ain't perfection. The goal is direction. It's like having too many apps open in the background. Your phone's still on, but the battery getting drained faster than it should. That's what distractions do. They keep running in the background of your life, stealing your energy from what actually matters. And sometimes the next level of your life don't need more effort. it needs less weight. Because once you stop feeding distractions, you start seeing what else has been slowing you down. And in the next episode, I'm going to talk about dead weight, the habits, the people, and the patterns. They gotta go if you're really trying to move forward. If you're trying to level up without the hype, hit that like button, subscribe, and follow the journey. Because this isn't theory. This is real life, real positioning, and real progress. Make smart moves, and I see you on the come up.